Hello, and welcome to Edible Canvas, where today we're going to be trying our hand at some peanut butter cookies. I've never really done these before, so let's see how they go and maybe take a spooky twist. Starting out, I'm taking a bag of sugar, and I thought it would be fun to maybe color it so we could have like a spookier color. So I'm going to add in some drops of purple food coloring and just mix that all around so it's all distributed evenly. I went for a very deep, dark plum purple, kind of a Halloween-y purple color. And I'm going to lay that out on a baking sheet and set that to the side so we can save that for later. Starting in on our cookies, we're going to take 3/4 cup of peanut butter. And you definitely want creamy. Add that to the bowl. 1/4 cup of sugar. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And I forgot to show it, but you definitely want to have a 1/2 cup of butter that has been softened, and then just cream the whole thing together. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, as well as 1 large egg that I forgot to record. And then we're just going to mix that until smooth. In a separate bowl, we're going to take 1.5 cups of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together and then add slowly into our peanut butter concoction until combined. I like to add it in small sections throughout the mixing so you don't get a flour volcano in your face. Now I thought it would be super fun if I had like an orange peanut butter cookie dough, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my red dye as well as yellow, and we'll see what that does. And that did nothing. I have no idea what happened, but for some reason the food coloring is just not incorporating right into the dough. So we're just gonna forget it. It's fine. Alright, and now we're gonna try something a little bit fun. I got this super cute rolling pin from my grandma a couple years back, and we're gonna roll that in our sugar and try to see if we can imprint these super cute Halloween designs into the dough. Well, that didn't work. It just fell apart and was way too dry, so we're gonna try something else. My husband had this super cute idea, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a ball of our dough, roll it into a ball, we're gonna press it into our sugar, so it's all still covered in that super cute purple sugar, and then we're gonna take like a small 1/8 teaspoon or something and make little eyes, and with the fork we're gonna make some teeth. And there you go. They're little skulls. Isn't that cute? And then just rinse and repeat with the remainder of our dough. Once everybody's all looking spooky and scully, we're gonna go stick them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And they look basically the same. They have risen a little bit, but we're gonna let them cool and come back. Now that everybody's all cool, let's give them a taste test. They're not bad. I've never been a huge fan of peanut butter cookies, so let's find somebody who might appreciate them more. Igor! Come here. Want a treat? Oh, good boy. Hey, you get back. Get back! Down. Oh my goodness. These are so fun, and I love how they turned out even though it didn't go quite as planned. They're delicious and crumbly, and they make a perfectly spooky addition to your Halloween party. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to get more treats in your pocket and make the world a spookier place. Come on, Igor. Come on. No, get down. Come on.